Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying this festive season. So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 really easy lamp DIY ideas which is perfect for this upcoming Diwali or Kali Puja. So stay tuned with me and keep watching the video. For this DIY, I am using this color paper, glue and scissor. At the first, मैं इस कलर पेपर को ऐसे कट कर लूँगी. Here I am using some colors, but colors here it's totally optional, because if you don't want to use a color on paper, it's okay, you can skip it. But here I am using the colors to give it a more funky look. My second DIY is a hanging lamp, and for that I am taking a color paper. मैंने पहले से ही एक पैटर्न इस पेपर के ऊपर ड्रॉ करके रखी है. Now take another piece of color paper and apply glue. Next we will paste these two papers together. We'll make a hole at the center of it. Here is the lighting arrangements, and we will pass the wire through this hole. For the third and the last DIY, I am taking this little glass bottle. Now I am painting some little cherry on it. and now I am using jute ropes. So that's all about today's video. I hope you all like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion or any question about this video, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye.